we are saying that if there is any trip, it will give alarm, right? If alarm is there, that means
yes, it will give alarm on high.
yeah, correct. So then we are right. Then we are right. Then we are right.
I think
Okay,
all of the
Guru.
trips will give alarm anyway. All of the
Correct.
trips will give alarm.
So this is the valid category, and we have qualified in the same fashion that we are going to go for P3 category. The reason is very simple, because this is response time is more than 30 minutes. It is coming to not urgent category, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Guru, you are there with me? Guru.
No, Chairman, actually, previous workshops we don't have this option. Yes, no, seal as of no. I think I don't understand this concept, first of all. If it is a part of the trip, okay, there is alarm. Okay, agree, noted. Whether that alarm will act as IPL, then only you are mentioning yes, or how what is the criteria for this column from
I
your,
tell you,
your Excel
hold
sheet?
on. I think, Guru, I will tell you so that we understand correct thing. Philosophy, yeah. Page number 46. 46. So, Guru, if you see here, we have to justify the error, right?
Okay.
To justify the error, we are saying that if normal conditions or this thing, right? Here, if you see, if an alarm is not justified here in above, the rationale for the decision is documented. In some cases, an alarm may fail to meet the above requirements, but exist due to the requirement enforced by safety review or HAJOB or SIL. So that means in HAJOB, we have already considered this is the alarm.
No.
So
First we will go. First we read the above. What are the conditions required to
because we
justify
said
that?
no, this is the deviation, abnormal
Yeah,
condition.
it is abnormal condition. No, it is abnormal condition. No.
Right. We have taken it.
Okay.
We
So
have taken it
then.
here. We have taken abnormal condition. Yes,
Okay.
we say yes.
Okay. What is the next point? What is the next point?
We are saying, does it require the timely operator action? So yes. So I mean, the now it is a trip. So, and then does it provide the operator with adequate time to respond? Is it unique? And is the best indicator to root cause of the abnormal condition?
Correct. It is root cause. It is indicating. No.
Correct. So we have qualified this as a 1S, and HAJOP we have also considered as a alarm. So that is why I'm saying we will say S here, and in the first category, abnormal condition and other things.